Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a road trip from Akirika Uku in Ukwa-East local government area down to Abia. So I'm heading to Abia, and this is the road that leads you from Ukwa-East, the Azumili side and Akirika down to Abia. You have to drive through or pass through the Ovom mechanic village where the mechanics were newly relocated to. So is this road that would lead you straight to Abia. If the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. Come with me as I go to Abia from Akirika Uku in Ukwa-East local government area of Abia State. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a video, you will get a notification. Akirika Uku is a prominent rural community located in the Ukwa-East local government area of Abia State. According to online sources, it is one of the foundational communities belonging to the Ndoki clan, a subgroup of the Igbo people. Akirika Uku sits alongside sister communities Akirikanta and Akirika Ubu. So if you're driving through this road and you're heading to Azumili, you're going to pass Akirikanta, Akirika Uku, and then Akirika Ubu. The name Akirika refers to a type of grassy thatch or straw material traditionally used in Igbo land for roofing houses or making mats. Historically, the community was part of a decentralized network of autonomous Ndoki trading villages along the Imo River. Linguists and historians frequently note that the lineage of the Akirika (Wakiriki) people of River State tracks its ancestry back through migrations that passed through this specific area that I'm driving through right now. One of the cultures that is very popular in this village is the Nwotam festival. Akirika Uku heavily celebrates the festival. It is a vibrant masquerade performance held around the new year to entertain the public with elaborate dance steps. The proposed site for the Ndoki University is along this road. You can see it written on the signboard we just passed. Kindly watch this video down to the end if you can and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you are from Ndoki, if you are from Asa, if you are from Azumini, all this area, all these parts of Abia State. In fact, if you are from Ukwa-East, you can tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell above. If you have done that already, I appreciate it. Thank you.